At-home micro-infusion kits are becoming increasingly popular. They offer a convenient solution for improving skin's appearance without frequent dermatologist visits. These kits deliver active ingredients directly into the skin for better absorption. The process involves creating tiny channels in the skin's outer layer. This allows serums to penetrate more effectively than topical application alone. The microchannels are superficial and minimally invasive, making them suitable for home use. The goal is to achieve a brighter, more hydrated, and smoother complexion. Many users report improvements in skin texture and tone. These kits differ from traditional microneedling devices used in clinics. The needles in at-home kits are shorter and finer for safety. The primary function is to enhance serum delivery, not induce significant collagen production. Understanding this distinction helps manage expectations. The appeal of at-home microinfusion lies in its accessibility and ease of use. You can incorporate it into your regular skincare routine at home. It saves time and can be more cost-effective than frequent professional appointments. However, it is vital to approach this technology with awareness. Proper education on usage and safety precautions is essential. Always prioritize your skin's well-being. A typical at-home micro-infusion kit contains several key components. The central piece is the micro-infusion device. It has fine needles made from materials like stainless steel or titanium. These create micro-pathways for serum delivery. Serums with active ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin C are included. They attach to the device for seamless application. Instructions ensure safe and effective use. Sanitation is vital to prevent infection. Some kits include a post-treatment calming product. Micro-infusion creates fine perforations in the skin's outer layer. This allows serums to penetrate deeper. The depth is around 0.25 to 0.5 millimeters. Serums are formulated for enhanced delivery. Hyaluronic acid hydrates peptides for anti-aging. Vitamin C brightens. Niacinamide reduces redness. Stimulates mild skin regeneration. Improves serum efficacy and skin texture. Consult a dermatologist for medical conditions. Proper technique and consistency are key. When comparing at-home microinfusion kits to professional microneedling, several key differences emerge. The most significant is the needle depth. Professional microneedling uses needles that can penetrate much deeper into the skin. These needles target the dermis, stimulating collagen and elastin production. This makes professional treatments more effective for significant wrinkles, acne scars, and stretch marks. At-home microinfusion devices use much shorter needles, primarily affecting the epidermis. The main goal is to enhance the absorption of topical serums. Therefore, the results from at-home kits are generally more subtle. Safety is another major differentiating factor. Professional microneedling carries a higher risk of side effects if not performed correctly. At-home microinfusion kits are designed with safety for layperson use in mind. The shorter needle length significantly reduces these risks. However, proper hygiene and adherence to instructions are still paramount. Professional microneedling can produce more dramatic and long-lasting results. At-home microinfusion is excellent for maintaining skin health and boosting the efficacy of skincare products. It provides a noticeable improvement in skin glow and hydration. Professional treatments are usually spaced several weeks or months apart. At-home microinfusion can often be done weekly, depending on the specific device and your skin's tolerance. Safety is the most important consideration when using at-home microinfusion kits. Always start by thoroughly cleansing your skin and sanitizing the device head. Never share your device to prevent cross-contamination. For sensitive skin, extra caution is necessary. Perform a patch test before using the device on your face. Apply the device and serum to a small area first. Wait 24 to 48 hours for any reaction. If tolerated, proceed with a full treatment. Start with the shortest duration and gentle pressure. Avoid using on active acne or open wounds. Do not use on eczema, psoriasis, or infections. Be mindful of potent active ingredients. Discontinue their use before and after microinfusion. After treatment, your skin is more receptive and vulnerable. Apply a gentle, hydrating serum or moisturizer. Avoid harsh ingredients post-treatment. Sunscreen is essential the following day. Protect your skin from the sun to prevent hyperpigmentation. Proper aftercare is crucial. Always prioritize your skin's health and safety. It is normal to experience some mild redness and a sensation of warmth immediately after an at-home microinfusion treatment. This typically subsides within a few hours or by the next morning. However, it is important to distinguish this expected reaction from signs of more significant irritation. Signs of excessive irritation include prolonged redness, stinging, burning, itchiness, swelling, or the development of bumps or pustules. If you notice any of these symptoms, discontinue use of the micro-infusion device immediately. Allow your skin to fully recover before considering another treatment. Consult a dermatologist if symptoms are severe or persistent. To minimize risks, always start slowly and observe how your skin responds. Use the device once a week at most initially. Gradually increase the frequency if your skin tolerates it well. Do not apply excessive pressure. A gentle stamping or gliding motion is sufficient. Ensure the serums you use are compatible with micro-infusion and suitable for your skin type. Avoid serums with high concentrations of potentially irritating ingredients. Always use fresh, properly stored serums. Sanitize the needle head thoroughly before and after every use. This simple step is one of the most effective ways to prevent skin infections and complications. Proper technique and consistent use are essential for safe and effective results. With the growing popularity of at-home micro-infusion, the market has seen an influx of various devices. Unfortunately, this also means there is a risk of encountering counterfeit or substandard products. Purchasing a genuine, high-quality kit is crucial for both safety and effectiveness. Counterfeit devices may be made with inferior materials, leading to skin damage or infections. To ensure you are buying a genuine system, purchase directly from the brand's official website or authorized retailers. Be wary of unusually low prices on third-party marketplace websites or unfamiliar online stores. If a deal seems too good to be true, it often is. Look for clear contact information for the company and check for customer reviews from verified purchasers. Research the brand and look for transparency about their manufacturing processes. Check for information on needle material and sterilization methods. Reputable companies often provide detailed instructions and customer support. When your kit arrives, inspect it carefully for any signs of tampering. Ensure the device and its components look well made and match the product descriptions. The needles should be uniform and intact. If anything seems suspicious, contact the seller immediately. Do not use a device if you have any doubts about its authenticity or safety. Your skin deserves the best care. Using a genuine kit from a trusted source is the first step in achieving positive and safe results from at-home micro-infusion. Correct usage of your at-home micro-infusion kit is paramount to achieving desired outcomes and avoiding complications. Always begin with thoroughly cleansed skin. Sanitize the micro-infusion device head before every use. If your device has a chamber for serum, fill it with your chosen compatible serum. Otherwise, apply a thin layer of serum to the area of skin you are about to treat. Use gentle, even pressure and a stamping motion rather than dragging or rolling. Work systematically across the treatment area, avoiding sensitive areas like the eyelids. A typical full-face session might take 5 to 10 minutes. Follow the recommended frequency, usually once a week. After treatment, apply a hydrating and calming serum. Avoid products with potentially irritating ingredients immediately after. Always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen the morning after treatment. Clean your device thoroughly after use and store it safely. Professional microneedling targets significant concerns like deep wrinkles and scars. At-home micro-infusion boosts serum absorption and improves hydration. Both have their place in a comprehensive skincare approach. At-home kits can complement professional treatments or serve as a standalone regimen for milder concerns. Proper technique and consistent use are essential for achieving the best results. Embarking on your at-home micro-infusion journey can be an exciting step towards achieving more radiant and healthy-looking skin. These kits enhance serum effectiveness by creating tiny channels in the skin. Benefits include improved hydration, smoother texture, and even skin tone. Consistency and correct techniques are crucial. Always prioritize safety and purchase genuine kits. Cleanse your skin and sanitize the device before each session. Perform a patch test if you have sensitive skin. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. At-home kits complement professional treatments for glowing skin.